Hello YouTube, just making another video on how to jailbreak iOS 5 on most devices that support iOS 5, other than the iPad 2, which I don't think has a tethered jailbreak yet. Now, first thing you'll need is Red Snow, which you can download from Dev Team. Now, their link is here. It's quite short. You can see it there. I'll put it down in the bottom, but just it's there just in case. Now, once you've downloaded it, you have to go through quite a lot of blurb to get to it, but then you have your two download links and choose whichever. Once downloaded, you'll have your Red Snow on your desktop. Now, one big thing to note, it's very different from old Red Snow. First of which, you can't just click jailbreak. You have to click extras, then you have to click select IPSW, which is your iPhone firmware file. That can be located, if you Google where is it stored, it's stored in iTunes. If you hold on a sec, I'll just get the link up for that, and I'll show you what you need to search for in Windows and in Mac. Okay, so here in this text document are the two the two paths to your iPhone software if you downloaded it via iTunes. So for Windows, it's this. Just simply copy this from the description and paste it into a search bar. Folder search bar, and with the Mac, you've got yours there. Do the same thing. Now, once you've found your software, you must remember where it is or save it to the desktop, and go back to Red Snow and select your software. Now, once that's selected, it'll bring up this window saying that forever it'll use that setting that you specified unless you change it later on. So that means every other time you use it, you won't have to do finding the IPSW again. Now, you must plug in your phone and you must put it into DFU mode to jailbreak it. So you click jailbreak and it'll start patching. Now, it's relatively easy to put your phone into DFU mode, but you must do it when it's plugged in. It won't do it if it's not got power. That's one thing a lot of people don't realize, and that's what gets them. So to jailbreak it, click install Cydia, and I like multitasking, and you click next and it'll tell you how to jailbreak your device. Now, their tutorial doesn't really help all that well, so the easiest way to go is press both the power button and the home button and hold them down for 10 seconds. So that's, get ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, let go of the power button, and keep holding home button for 10 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your computer should now recognize that your phone's in DFU mode. Now, one thing to note is you won't just be able to turn on your phone by holding down the power button if you decide not to jailbreak it. You'll have to press both power and home for another 10 seconds and the phone will turn on. But if not, just click next and it should recognize your phone and start jailbreaking. Okay, once Red Snow's recognized your phone's in DFU, it'll start jailbreaking it. Now, this normally takes about 2 minutes to do, and I'll leave it running so you can see just how quick it is. Just to say, I left off a tiny bit at the beginning of its jailbreaking, but yes, the phone's still going through a process, although Red Snow says it's done. And there you go, your jailbreak should be done and your iPhone will reboot. And one thing to do is you have to then put it back into DFU mode. Then you go click back on Red Snow and select just boot. Now, once in DFU, it'll just reboot the phone and everything like Cydia and any other jailbroken apps you have on there will work. Just to point out though, you need to install a program called AppSync before, otherwise you won't be able to install any jailbroken apps onto your phone. And yeah, that's about it, so good luck.